In this video, I'll show you how to check Emirates flight PNR status. So for doing that, first of all, you have to open a browser. And after opening a browser, here in the search box, you have to type Emirates, Emirates.com and then search for that. So first work is to visit their official website. So you have to visit Emirates official website on Emirates.com and then you have to log in to this website. And after login to the Emirates website, now you have to tap on the Manage option at the top left corner. And by tapping on the Manage option, you can see there are several options like Retrieve your booking, Check-in online and Flight status. Now we have to tap on the Flight status option at the right. And here we have to give our flight details like our destinations and departure date. And then we have to tap on the View Details option. And here we have to give our flight number, and after giving the flight number and tap on the view details option and search for the flight, and after tapping on the search flights option, this will show us the flights that we have booked and we can see the flight status from here, and this will look like this. And from here we can see the booking reference, we can see the travel information like where we are traveling from and where to travel, and then we can see the ticket details, we can see the ticket numbers and reference code and flight details and everything. So here is how we can check Emirates flight.